Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see, today topic is location. So we are going to study about location so that whenever you will be in Korea, you are like it will be easy for you to ask where is the store, where is the restroom, where is the pharmacy, like that. So let's study. So today topic will be like where is the something place particle, whatever it can be, like it can be a restroom, it can be a pharmacy, hospital, police station, embassy and all. And second one is over there and right here. If you are going to ask with the Korean person, so definitely you will get the response like over there or right here. And next we will study right or left. It might be possible that they will revert you like it's on the right side, it's on the left side. So you have to know what is the meaning of right in Korean and what is left. And last one, we will study about next to or in front of. Sometimes you will get the response like it's next to that store, it's in front of police station, or it's next to the embassy, or it's next to the exit, something like that. So we are going to study these four place related words. So our first word is where is the, and blank. In the blank you can put whatever you want. You can put store name in that, you can put like mall name, you can put restroom, whatever be the situation. So let's study with where is the. So basically whenever we ask about the location, we have to first use odisayo. What, like where is the restroom? And we basically call restroom in Korean 화장실. 화장실. Shil is basically belongs from a like particular room or particular place, and hwajang is belongs from like where we like some a place where we can rest, we can like wash up and something like that. So it become 화장실. 화장실. Next is restaurant. If you are in Korea, definitely you will like get hungry and you need some water and food. So you have to know how to say where is the restaurant. So basically in Korean, restaurant is 식당. 식당. Here shik belongs to dish. Dish like pasta. Pasta is a dish. Maggi is a dish. So like that, 식당 belongs from dish. So restaurant is 식당. Next is pharmacy, and we call in Korean it is like yakuk. Yakuk. As you can see, yak means medicine. Yak. In India we like basically like in our childhood we say like mama yak. So it is like that. Yakuk. Pharmacy is yakuk. So for example, you have to ask from someone that where is the restroom. So you will say 화장실 어디 있어요? As you can see, where is means 어디 있어요. 어디 있어요. And we had put here restroom. Where is the restroom? So the full meaning is 화장실 어디 있어요. If we will put restaurant, then we will call it as 식당 어디 있어요. And if we put pharmacy, then we will say 약국 어디 있어요. 약국 어디 있어요. So this is our first word. Next we will study when you will get revert from that person, and if they will revert you like over there, yeah, or right here. So basically you have to you can measure the same with the gesture of that person, but whatever they revert in their language, you must understand. So for that purpose we are going to study over there and right here. Over there is basically is called Chogio, Jogio, Chogio, and right here is Yogio. Over there is Jogio, right here Yogio. Repeat after me. Over there Jogio, right here Yogio. So let's create a situation like a Kajal asked from Cherry about restroom. So Kajal will ask, excuse me, where is the restroom? I would like to tell you that excuse me is basically in Korean Chogio, Chogio, Chogio. So excuse me, where is the restroom means Chogio 화장실 어디 있어요? 저기요 화장실 어디 있어요? Repeat after me. 저기요 화장실 어디 있어요? And next, Cherry will revert in their language as well as with gesture. As I had told you that we can measure with the face expression as gesture of that person, but still whatever they revert, we have to know what they are saying and what they are telling me. So if Cherry will revert like over there or right here, so it can be 저기요, 여기요. Repeat after me. 저기요, 여기요. So let's review. 저기요, 화장실 어디 있어요? And Cherry will revert 여기요. So what she revert? Right here. Restroom is right here. Okay, so let's study next. That is right or left. It can be possible that she will revert it's on right, it's on left. If you had asked like 화장실 어디 있어요, so it might be possible you get the response like it's on right, it's on left. So in Korean, let's study right. Right means 오른쪽, 오른쪽. It sounds like 오른쪽, right? So you have to pronounce it the same. 오른쪽, 오른쪽. And left is 왼쪽. It's also sound like 왼쪽. So you have to pronounce it like same. 왼쪽, 왼쪽. So right, 오른쪽, left, 왼쪽. Repeat after me. Right, 오른쪽, left, 왼쪽. Let's create. If you like it, Cherry revert you like it's on right, it's on left. So she will put it's on as well. So what is it's on? 있어요. 있어요. Here E used for place particle. For example, like a restaurant, restroom, pharmacy. It's a place, right? It's a place. So for place related words, we can use E. So it's on means 이 있어요. 이 있어요. Repeat after me. It's on 있어요. 이 있어요. So if you get the response it's on right, you can hear 오른쪽 있어요. 오른쪽이 있어요. And if you get response like it's on left, so you will get response as 왼쪽이 있어요. 왼쪽이 있어요. Repeat after me. It's on right. 오른쪽이 있어요. It's on left. 왼쪽이 있어요. Got it? So let's review. A means Kajal asks from Cherry about restroom. Excuse me, where is the restroom? Chogiyo, Wajangshi Lodi Sayo. And Cherry will revert like it's on right. Orange Choki, it's Sayo. And if she revert like it's on right, then it may sounds like Wenchoki, it's Sayo. Wenchoki, it's Sayo. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where is the restroom? Chogiyo, Wajangshi Lodi Sayo. And Cherry will revert, it's on left. So what it sounds like? Wenchoki, it's Sayo. Yeah, that's great. Let's study our last word, that is next to or in front of. If you will ask from Cherry that where is the restroom, you can also get the response as it's next to the exit, it's next to the building exit, it's next to the police station, it's in front of the embassy, something like that. So you must know what is next to and in front of. So our first word is next to. Next to means yape. Yape. It sounds like yape, right? So you have to memorize it same. Yape. Yape. Got it? So next is in front of. In front of. So in front of is basically ape. Ape. Apple like sound, right? So in front of ape. I had connect the same with Indian word, that is Hindi word आगे. So we use आगे for using in front of, कि वो इसके आगे है. So you can connect, if you are an Indian, you can connect the ape word with our Hindi word आगे. So in front of means ape. Repeat after me from the start. Next to your pay. In front of pay. Got it? So if you get the response like it's next to the exit, you had asked from Cherry that where is the restroom, and Cherry reverts it's next to the exit. So basically exit is chulgo. Chulgo. Exit in Korean, chulgo. And Cherry reverts it's next to the exit means chulgo yope I itsayo. I belongs to place particle. Itsayo matlab something have. So it's become chulgo yope I itsayo. And if you get response that it is in front of the exit, so you might hear chulgo ape I itsayo. Chulgo ape I itsayo. So let's review. Kajal asked from Cherry about restroom. Excuse me, where is the restroom? Chogiyo Wajangshi Lodi Sayo. And Cherry revert, it's next to the exit. Chulgo yope I itsayo. And if she revert, it's in front of the exit, you might hear Chulgo ape I itsayo. Repeat after me from the start. Chogiyo Wajangshi Lodi Sayo. Chulgo ape itsayo means it's next to the exit. Chulgo ape itsayo means it's in front of the exit. So thank you so much for watching. You might learn the 4 words, that is where is the, over there, right here, right or left, and next to or in front of. So you have to create a situation and use all location related words like where is the restroom, where is the pharmacy, and over there, right here, it's on right, it's on left, it's next to the exit, it's next to the building, it's in front of. So you have to put all 4 words and create a situation to better understanding. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be soon connect you within shortly and in next video. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.